Good afternoon, Danbury. This is student meteorologist Lee Murphy with the WestCon Weather Team. I hope everybody had an enjoyable weekend. As we come into our work week, we can see on the Midtown campus it is cloudy with a temperature of 52 degrees, a dew point of 49 degrees. That works out to a humidity of 89% with winds east at 6 miles per hour. On the satellite, we can see Danbury is right over here, and we have a lot of cloud cover covering most of the northeast. And with that cloud cover, there are some spotty showers throughout the area, like we saw earlier this morning. And then off to our west, we do have a more well-defined line of showers, and that will move into our area, as well as some pop-up showers could form as well. And that will give us a chance for some showers later on tonight. So on currently the service map, we have, due to all that cloud cover and showers, these three low pressure systems which are kind of causing some instability in the atmosphere, and that's going to give us some rain in the southern New England areas. But actually in northern New England, we are getting some mixed precipitation, and we might actually see some of our very own mixed precipitation later on this week, and I'll get to that in my extended forecast. So for tonight, we'll have a low of 48 degrees with showers and patchy fog, and the winds will be light and variable. And tomorrow we'll have a high of 55 degrees. We'll clear out nicely with partly sunny skies, and winds will be north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now let's talk about that system that we're going to get later on this week. So this is the GFS model as of Thursday at 8 p.m. Here's Danbury right over here. Lots of rain. So this low pressure over here is actually the remnants of what will be tropical system Zeta. And as that moves into our area, it's going to bring lots of rainfall and some wind. And some areas actually could be heavy. But if we move on a little bit more to Friday at 2 a.m., we'll see that this is actually starting to turn blue in most areas of northern New England. Now, here's that low pressure here moving offshore, and Danbury is still in rain, but it is possible that that snow can move down into our area, and we could see the first measurable snow of the year. So if we look Friday 8 a.m., the snow is going to continue to come in, but it is too early to forecast how much we're going to get or when it will be, exactly when. So keep up with that at the WestCon Weather Team. And there's that low moving offshore. So taking you through the rest of the week, Wednesday will be partly sunny with a high of 55 degrees. Thursday we'll have some rain likely with a high of 57, and Friday is that day that low will come into our area, giving us some showers mostly, but the possibility for a changeover into snow with a high of 38 degrees, which is pretty chilly. And then Saturday we do look to dry out with a high of 51 degrees. Once again, I'm student meteorologist Lee Murphy. Thank you for watching, and follow our YouTube channel at WCSU Meteorology. Good afternoon, Danbury. This is student meteorologist Lee Murphy with the WestCon Weather Team. We're coming off of a very beautiful weekend, and that's definitely going to continue today. As we look on the Midtown campus as of 2 o'clock, there is not a cloud in sight and lots of beautiful fall foliage to look at. We are a little bit warm, though, at a temperature of 75 degrees with a humidity of 28% and winds south at 7 miles per hour. Now, just to drive home the point that we've been very warm, you can see here that these are actual observed temperatures from yesterday, and here in Danbury we reached a high of 75 degrees, and our average for this time of year is 50. So in most cases around New England, we have been 20 to 25 degrees above average for this time of year. On the current satellite, here's Danbury right over here. Again, not a cloud in sight, but an interesting feature I do want to point out is here off the coast of New Hampshire and Maine and northern Massachusetts, there's lots of clouds forming over the ocean as the cool air from the shore reaches onto the ocean, and it's creating condensation. So that's a cool feature to see. And on the radar, there is nothing in sight as there is no clouds. So on the surface map, we do have a high pressure dominating our area, and that's been with us for the last few days, keeping us warm and sunny. But off to our west, we do have a cold front, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see a little bit better. We do have a cold front and associated low pressures stretching all the way across the country, and that's going to move into our area, giving us the chance for some rain later this week. You can see, though, there is mix and snow precipitation off to the west, but as this front moves into our area, it will be all rain for us. So I'm going to time that out for you now. Here's Danbury. Wednesday around 10 a.m. It's going to begin raining, and it'll kind of continue throughout the majority of the day and continue into Thursday. So bringing it back to today, we'll have a low of 32 degrees for our low tonight, and it'll be seasonable under mostly clear skies. Winds will be southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And tomorrow, once again, we'll have a high of 73 degrees, one of our last cool, very nice days above average before the rain comes, and it'll be mostly sunny and warm. So taking you through the rest of the week, Wednesday and Thursday, we do have those showers coming in as the front comes in with temperatures in the 60s, and then we do look to dry out on Friday on partly sunny skies and mostly sunny skies on Saturday, temperatures in the mid-50s. Once again, I'm student meteorologist Lee Murphy with the WestCon Weather Team, and thank you for watching. Good afternoon, Danbury. This is student meteorologist Lee Murphy with the WestCon Weather Team. Last night here in Danbury, we did see significant rainfall and wind, but we do look to have dried out today as we are under partly sunny skies as of 3 p.m. on the Midtown campus with a temperature of 49 degrees, humidity of 41%, and winds are west at 9 miles per hour. On the current visible satellite, Danbury is right over here. We do have partly sunny skies as we saw from the picture from before, but to our north there is a decent amount of cloud cover, but associated with that cloud cover is just some flurries and sprinkles, but here in Danbury we are staying dry. On the surface map, we do have a cold front situated over the Great Lakes region, and that will come into our area tonight into tomorrow, and that will give us the chance to see some flurries as well as some showers throughout the day tomorrow. After the cold front passes, we will see some much cooler temperatures, which I'll get into more detail about in my 5-day forecast. So bringing it back to tonight, we'll have a low of 33 degrees, wind will be west 5 to 10 miles per hour, and we will see some areas of frost under mostly clear skies. Tomorrow we'll have a high of 46 degrees, and again in the morning we will see a possible chance for some flurries and then a chance for showers throughout the day. Winds will once again be west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And for the remainder of the week, we do look to dry out nicely, but we do only have a high of 38 degrees on Wednesday after that cold front has come through, and then when we wake up Thursday, we will only be waking up to 21 degree conditions. But we do look to get into the mid-40s on Thursday, and then Friday we get to warm up a little bit more into the mid-50s under partly sunny skies. Once again, I'm student meteorologist Lee Murphy with the WestCon Weather Team, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at WCSU Meteorology. Thank you for watching.